Are you searching for the best miter saw? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best miter saws in 2024, which save you time and money.
Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. It's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. 10-inch multifunctional miter saw, Composite perfect woodworking miter saw. Dry metal cutting chop saw. Cuts metal with minimal heat or sparks and doesn't require coolant, leaving an instantly workable finish. The VEVOR 380 metal chop saw utilizes a powerful 15-amp motor with high torque gearbox, which reduces motor load and improves steel cutting performance. Unlike abrasive chop saws, this metal cutting chop saw is the cleanest, fastest, and most affordable way of cutting steel and achieving long blade life, which averages 1,000 cuts in 2-2 in mild steel. This cold cut saw is ideal for cutting steel plate, square tube, angle iron, pipe, tube, and metal roofing, whilst being able to handle even the most demanding on-site jobs. The included 14-inch TCT saw blade, tungsten carbide tipped blade, allows the chop saw to cut effortlessly through mild steel. This metal chop saw features a heavy-duty cast aluminum base, which is ideal for industrial metal cutting.